Yeah, the NEINFAME program, I believe it kicked off in 2018, 2019. Steel Dynamics had participated in a FAME conference, and they were very excited about the program and just couldn't wait to bring it back to Northeast Indiana. They then started sending out information to partner companies, seeing if they could generate some interest. From there, that blossomed. We ended up with 6 employers that were interested in organizing a chapter. Honestly, the membership that was recruited was just very, very strong companies that I knew it was going to be destined for success.
The companies involved in there lead the FAME program. Ivy Tech we're just the educator. So when the students, they sign up for the FAME program, they're interviewed, they go through that application process. Once they're selected, they go to school from 8 in the morning, usually till about 5 o'clock at night, and not only learn the stuff they need for their degree, but they also go through soft skills, which are some of the things the employers are really excited about. And that's kind of, I love stressing those on the kids, because those soft skills, they go through 5S, lean manufacturing, and that's a lot of stuff that companies that I've worked for have sent their upper management to learn.
It's an opportunity for us to show firsthand what we have to offer as a campus. It allows us to interact with business and industry in a way that we haven't typically done. It is a partnership that is one that should be replicated because it absolutely works for this cohort of students. So
they come to school Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, they work for their employers. So at the end of that 2 years, when they get their industrial technology AAS degree, they've got that degree, they've got 2 years experience, and they're in a field that is in high demand, that pays well, that is really sought after. A lot of people are retiring, so their services are going to be needed. The sky's the limit for what they want to achieve. They just have to put in the work.
Well, I like participating in their signing day because not only are the students there, but the students' parents are there, and they get an opportunity to be inside the lab and see what equipment the students are going to be working on. It's a family affair, but it's welcome to the Ivy Tech family as well.
The program, I tell them all the time, it's like a 2-year job interview. That's someone I want to hire for the next 10, 20, 40 years. And that employee also gets to look at that company and say, is this a company I want to work for? And usually it's been a pretty good match. The students love working for the companies they're at, and that's just a win-win for everybody.
It has been a tremendous asset to the campus. One of the things that is the highlight of the program is the collaborations that we have with the many business partners. It's just been a tremendous asset for us.
One of the biggest successes we can think of is we actually nominated a student, his name was Sam Levitz, to a CTE, which is a Career and Technical Education Award with the state, and he received that. So he was actually one of the students that received the exemplar student status for the state of Indiana. That was pretty exciting.